Hi, my name is Patrick. Are you a beginner in Photoshop or in graphics design in general? Or would you like to move from beginner to creating professional designs for your branding needs, or for your individual clients, or for organizations or even businesses? Then this course is just for you. Prime World Photoshop tutorial is divided into 3 sections. The first 2 sections are more beginner oriented. The first section contains 4 videos that will teach you how to set up your workspace, create, rotate, resize, save and export your image file. It also teaches you about the use of layers, which is a very important concept in Photoshop. The second section contains 15 videos that will teach you practically with the aid of project materials on how to use the various tools in Photoshop. This moves you on to the third section, which teaches you to create hands-on real-life graphic projects such as logo designs, flyers and poster designs, CD album cover designs, movie poster designs, realistic facial retouching, and composite stroke photo manipulation design. You will have access to just over 10 hours of step-by-step, easy to follow, project-based video tutorials. If you feel you have passed the beginner stage, you can decide to go straight to the third section of the tutorial or the course, where intermediate stroke professional tasks are available. Materials for each project in the course is made available to you. So what are you waiting for? Enroll now and let's equip you to add color and creativity to you and other people's world by producing amazing graphic works.